Hello everyone, I am Lae Lae. Firstly, I want to give a big thanks to you guys from the Burmese home cooking groups. You gave me the advice to plant lemon basil. You were right, it is the same as Myanmar basil. Before talking about basil, let me show you some flowers. Here, look at it. It's red sunflower. It is really beautiful, and this is my first time ever seeing red sunflower. I love it. Beautiful, isn't it? I germinate the seeds as usual into light compost. This process is really easy to grow, but seeds are usually sown indoors. It can be sown outdoors. I was super careful to help them germinate by keeping them warm. I sowed the seed in tray and covered the seed with a thin layer of soil. I gave them some water and placed them at windowsill. They take about a week to germinate. 1, 2 or 3 leaves will show. I transfer them into a small pot. And basil is easy to look after. Just keep it warm, protect it from slugs and snakes, and water it regularly, especially when growing in a container. When watering, try to avoid splashing the leaves and water in the morning if possible, because basil hate having wet roots overnight. They should help prevent them from becoming moldy. I was really looking forward to the smells and the taste. Now I got it! These plants are growing nicely and are now ready for their first harvest in July. I will use it in my cooking, particularly pickled bamboo shoot curries, rosa leaf soups. It is go well with most of the Myanmar curries, and I can't wait to try it. So folks, remember, lemon basil is the same as Myanmar basil. Good luck with your planting and see you next time.